my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to design a fully dynamic and responsive home page using HTML, Tailwind CSS and a little bit of JavaScript. This is not just a simple landing page. We are building a modern professional home page layout with a responsive navigation bar, a gradient hero section, dynamic cursor sliders, category cards, testimonials, static sections, a clean footer, and everything will be responsive and mobile friendly. So if you want to learn how to design a real-world home page layout like a professional developer, this video is for you. PHP section and dynamic user role. First we handle PHP sections at the top of home.php. Session start. Ensure we can access session variable anywhere. $sign logged in. Check if the user is logged in. $sign username and $sign user role and user throughout the page to customize buttons, dashboard links and profile info dynamically. Navigation bar. The navigation bar is sticky and responsive. Sticky top 0 keeps the nav bar visible when scrolling. Set 50 ensure it is above other content. We are use PHP conditions to show different icons for buyers and sellers. Notification bell uses absolute positioning for the red dot and group hover for drop-down display. Profile drop-down toggle using JavaScript class list.toggle opacity 0 and invisible for smooth transitions. Always check if profile btn and profile dropdown to avoid JavaScript errors when elements are not loaded. Hero section. The hero section is a 2-column grid. MD grid calls 2 for desktop. On mobile is stacks automatically. Left column handling subtext, search bar and buttons. Search bar uses flex and gap 2 to align item and buttons. Buttons dynamically rendered with PHP based on $sign user role. Right column show platform feature with emoji icons, Tailwind classes, backdrop blue SM gives the front end frosted glass effect and space Y for adds vertical spacing between items. Featured cursor. The cursor uses flexbox and JavaScript for sliding. Each item is flex shrink 0, W full, MDW half to maintain width. Navigation buttons. Slide cursor update the transform translate X property. Cursor style transform translate X $sign cursor slide start slide with PX. Dots below the cursor allow jumping to a specific slide. Go to slide 0. Hover effects like hover shadow to Excel make cards interactive. Category section. The categories section uses a responsive grid. Grid calls 2, MD grid calls 3, LG grid calls 6. Each card uses hover effects and transitions. Hover scale 105 grows slightly on hover. Hover border 2, hover border blue 600 adds border highlight. Emoji inside card users group hover scale 110 for scaling effect when hovering the parent card. Testimonial section. Testimonials are static cards, but you cloud fetch them from a database dynamically. Tailwind classes rounded LG for smooth corners. Shadow LG overshadow 2XL for hover animation. Transition all duration 300 hover scale 105 for smooth scaling. Each testimonial has an avatar, name, rating and feedback. Star section. This section uses a 4-column grid with hover scaling. Numbers are large text for XL, MD text 5XL. Tailwind hover effects, hover scale 110 give interactivity. This visually shows platform creativity. It works. Steps are displayed in a grid layout. Each step uses a gradient circle. Number is connected with flexbox. Step description uses text grade 600 for readability. Group hover scale 110 adds subtle animation and hover. Call to action. Call to action section uses rounded 2XL and gradient background. Buttons are dynamic with PHP. Buyers see explore more. Sellers see create new skill. Unauthenticated user sees sign up now. Hover effects. Hover shadow 2XL, hover scale 105 to make buttons pop up. Footer. Footer uses 4-column grid. Links have hover text white, transition column colors for hover animations. Tailwind spacing classes space white to make content readable. Bottom copyright uses this separate footer content visually. Okay, that's a complete dive into skills of home page. We covered PHP sections, dynamic Okay, that's a complete drop dive into skills of homepage. We covered PHP sections, dynamic rendering, responsive tailwind design, hover effects, carousels, and interactive elements. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorials from DV Codex. See you next video.